Welcome to True Voice Corporate Hub, the CSC training portal and compliance services assistant. So in this video, we are going to learn the basic area and the advanced area SIM on how to register a business name. So first of all, we'll start by introducing you to the official CSC website. If you dive into search engine to search for CSC, it will take you to different platform which you might feel confused or which you might be confused about the official site for you to use and do your CSC registration. But on this aspect, in this video, you will learn all those things at ease. So first of all, you look onto the screen, you will see html/icrp.csc.gov.ng/authenticate/login. So the ICRP there means registration company registration portal. That's what the CRP there means. Incorporate company registration portal. So you start by using our accredited agent portal to show you how to log into CSC platform, and then how you have to do name reservation, and also how you are going to begin your registration as the newcomer, as a new operator in business registration. So now there's a difference also between public users and the accredited users. So we are going to talk that in another video. But just know that this portal that we're using to do this lesson is accredited portal. So type our username and password, then log in. You can see that we have made mistake, so I need to type that again. Alright, the last password is correct. So we go to the email, accredited email. You can see the code has been sent to this email. We open the code and copy. You need to copy the code, then go back to the web page and paste it. Press submit. Automatically you are going to be logged into the portal. So first of all, when you log into your portal as an accredited CSC agent or a public user, first of all, this lesson is for business name registration. So we are to do business name registration, and then we are to know things about business name registration. So I will quickly show you, let you know the differences about these four segments that you're seeing on the screen. So starting from the first segment is not submitted application, and our second is pending application, queried application, and approved application. So what that simply means is that the not submitted application is the process of you doing reservation on the portal, and then you have not finished filling the form to submit. That is where you have not submitted application. And then when you submit your application and then your application is under pending review, it has not been approved yet, that is where you are going to come and see your application under pending application. And then queried application is simply the fact that if your application that you submitted has some errors, have some misspelling, or have some misinformation on it, so CSC will require you to correct it. CSC will not correct it for you, but they will requested you to correct it by yourself. So that is what it simply means by queried application on CSC portal. And then application approved, which is the final stage. Your application will be approved, and then it will move from the first stage, the second stage, the third stage to the last stage, which is the approved stage. And also note, it is not all the submission registration on the CSC portal that CSC do query. There are some applications that they will not query based on how you input the information and how you process the application. I believe you have understand that, and then if you have any question to ask on that area, you can feel free to ask, because this is business name registration class. So we will start by showing you, first of all, we come to pre-incorporation, and then click Click on name reservation.